chess, where one of the principles of bad chess is you can't be bad at chess if you don't know how to play chess. And if you can't be bad at chess, then you can't get good at chess. So, I'm going to make a series of videos explaining how all the pieces move, hopefully very simply, for those who do not know how to play chess. Okay, today we are talking about the pawn. Now, pawns have a few different rules which one must keep in mind. These rules are simple. Pawns, as a general rule, can only move one space at a time, except on their first turn. On their first turn, they can move 2 spaces. You see those dots there? Boom, I can move 2 spaces. I don't have to. I can move 1 my first turn if I want to. But I can move 2 on my first turn. After that, though, you'll notice, watch, I can only move 1. You see? See that? See this dot here? It means I can only move 1. No matter which color. See? Boom. All right. Now, that's one of the first basic rules about pawns. Another basic rule to keep in mind about pawns is pawns only attack diagonally. They can't attack anything in front of them. Example, boom, boom. Uh-oh, I can't attack. There's no way I can attack. See? There's no dot on this pawn or circle on this pawn, which would denote that you can attack them. Okay? Now, in real life, obviously on a board, you just have to keep these in your heads, but I'm trying to use this visual to help you all realize how to play. Okay? Boom, boom, they can't attack, but I moved here. This pawn moved here. Don't know why I did that, but he did that. So, hey, look, there's a circle around it. I can move forward 1, and then, oh, I missed the chance. He can't attack me, I can't attack him. They can't attack sideways either. They only attack diagonally. No forwards, no backwards. They only attack diagonally. But look, I can do this because he's diagonal in this position. Boom! Okay. That's basically all you need to know about pawns, except for 2 special rules. One is more special than another. One of the rules is if you get a pawn to the very end of the board, you can promote it into whatever. Okay? Let me give you an example. Boom. 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 For whatever reason, this guy just, let me just, fly in here. Okay? And let me go ahead and take that knight. Sorry about that. And look, see, now I can promote to whatever I would like. A queen, a knight, a rook, and a bishop. I also choose queen. It really just depends on the circumstances, If you wanted to check them, you could use a knight in this example, but that gets into strategy and tactics. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, side the point. That's one. Those are all the major rules you need to remember. There is one little extra rule to keep in mind with pawns, and it's a very special rule. You don't encounter it very much in beginners circles, but it's called in passant, which means in passing, meaning, and this is basically the rule. If whenever a pawn moves 2 spaces, so it can only happen on a pawn's first turn, it lands directly beside one of your pawns, you can attack it by going to the space beside the pawn. Let me show you. Okay? Boom, he moves that pawn, I move this pawn. Okay? Then bam! He does that. Oh, you see there's a circle there. What does that mean? What does that circle mean? It means that rather than attacking him diagonally like I normally would have to, I can just move here and attack him in passing. Now, remember, that's only whenever a pawn moves 2 spaces and lands right next to one of your pawns. Okay, I'll give you another example. Say it was... I've showed you with black. I'll show you with white now, okay? Say... Do... Bam! You see that? Boom! Now that rule is important whenever you get to more advanced levels, because you're going to be seeing that a little bit more in those circles. But as a beginner, you're probably not going to see it very much. This is bad chess. Remember, you can't suck at chess if you don't know how to play chess. And you can't get good at chess if you don't know what it's like to suck at chess. Y'all just been pawned.